Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Very good afternoon. Very good afternoon. Yeah. Yeah, I'm audible. Audio ability is fine for all of you. Please respond. Quick response. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Very good afternoon to all of you. Very good afternoon. Hello. Hi. 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 Okay. So we are approaching towards the end. So probably this is penultimate lecture. We will have one more lecture after this. Yeah. And then we'll have few free time for all of you, for you and for me also. And then we'll come back to the campus. We'll meet in the campus. Lunch. Yes. Yes. We had lunch. I hope. Careless whisper. Okay. Yes. Yes. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. When does college start, sir? Very soon. Very soon. You will be communicated. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'm good. है ना? ठीक है? Fine. 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 Okay. Let's proceed. Let's proceed. Right. Mostly. I think same time frame will be same. Thank you. Yeah. Fine. Chalo. Right. Let's start. Okay. ठीक. Holidays for us, it is starting on 5th, I guess. Yeah. है ना? I'm fine, ma'am. I'm fine. From which state? West Bengal. I'm from West Bengal. Okay. But now, I mean, my Aadhaar card, my voter card is everything is in South India only. So I am half Andhra, half Bengali guy. Yeah. Chalo. So yes, today we will start dot product. चलिए देखिए. Okay. So dot product. So please know what is dot product. Huh? Please listen. Yeah. Mostly tomorrow. Yes. Correctly. Tomorrow. Mostly. I mean, we'll see. देखो. Suppose there are two vectors. These are the two vectors. This is A vector and this one is the B vector. Angle between the vector is taken to be theta. So the first concept we will learn today is how to take angle between the vectors. Easy concept. I think most of you know it, but still I will revisit once again. How to take angle between two vectors. See, angle between two vectors are taken on tail to tail mode. Angle between two vectors are taken on tail to tail mode. What do you mean by this? Look at these two vectors. For these two vectors, this is the head of A vector. This is also the head of B vector. This is tail of B vector and this is the tail of A vector. So their two tails are meeting. So wherever the two tails of two vectors are meeting, there we take the angle between the two vectors, right? As an example, जैसे मान लो, I am taking these two cases. Two cases I am taking, so it will give you clarity. Like these are the two vectors. This angle is given to be, let us say, 60 degree. This is A vector and this is B vector. Here, this is A vector, this is B vector. This angle is said to be 150 degree. So in both the cases, I am asking you what is the angle between the two vectors? How to calculate the angle between the two vectors? How will you do? How will you do? As I said, it has to be always tail to tail. You have to take the tails, two tails. So look at this. Here, this is the tail of A vector, head of A vector. But here we have a head of B vector, here we have tail of B vector. Right? So what we do in the case, you remember that class? I told you we can parallelly shift a vector. Raise your hand if you remember. We can parallelly shift a vector. All of you remember? We can parallelly shift a vector. You remember that concept? We can parallelly shift a vector. Hai na? All those will be useful. See, whatever learning we have, nothing goes in vain. Everything has connected. So without changing the direction. Yes. So you remember that? Chalo. तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will shift the vector. We will shift the vector. अभी इसको shift कर देते हैं. चलो, हो गया shifting. So now this is B vector, this is the head of B vector and this is the tail of B vector. So tail meeting, this is the angle between them. And what is the angle between them? That is 120 degree. Concept clear or not? Everyone respond please. Concept clear? Huh? Yeah. So whenever you see the cases, head and tail are meeting, what you have to do, you have to parallelly shift the vector. Parallelly vector ko shift kar do. You will get the answer. Similar case here. Look at this particular case. Here also, this is the tail of B vector. This is the head of B vector. Here is the head of A vector, but tail of A vector. Head, tail are meeting. So head, tail. Once we see head, tail, we do not take the angle. It has to be tail, tail. So for that, what we will do? We will shift this vector. We will shift this vector. This vector ko shift kar do. Ye ho gaya shifted. Now the vector is shifted. So here is the head of B vector, here is the tail of B vector. Tail to tail is this angle, 180 minus 50. So this angle is equal to 30 degree. Correct? Okay. Idea clear? Fine. Done. So what I am writing over here. So as a note, I will write over here. As a note, if head is meeting the tail, then shift a vector parallelly. Shift a vector parallelly can also be written as extending parallelly and take the angle tail to tail. That's the concept. ठीक है ना? चलो, respond everyone. It seems people have very heavy lunch today. Sir, will you tell these notes again in offline? Because 100% we will tell, beta. For sure we will tell. Everything we will tell. Don't worry. है ना? चलो. Concept clear है? सबका concept clear है? ठीक है? हाँ, that repeatedly I say, learn concept. Please don't memorize. Everything is practically very easy over here. You have to get the root of the concept. Once you get the root of the concept, things are very easy. हाँ नेत्रा, one more. चलो ले लो one more example. कोई problem नहीं है. चलो one more example. करो, बिल्कुल करो. So let's say we have two vectors now. This is A vector and this one is B vector. This angle is given to be 30 degree. Huh? Very interesting, right? Very interesting. So you just shift the two vector parallelly. ऐसे cross मिल जाएगा आपको. Just shift it like this. Extend it. So this has become A vector. This has become B vector. The same angle is the alternative angle. We get 30 degree only. Yeah, easy. Job done. Job done. Clear now, everyone? Shall we move on now? आगे बढ़े? Because there is so much to teach today. We'll learn so many things today. थोड़ा आगे बढ़ जाते हैं. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. चलो. देखो. So now, I will take my previous diagram. So we are taking two vectors. This one is A vector, let us say, and this one is B vector. Angle between A vector and B vector is equal to theta. So as per the dot product, what we write? We write A vector dot B vector is equal to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. Magnitude of A into magnitude of B into cos theta. Don't worry, why the cos theta is coming? Someone can ask me, sir, why not sin theta is there? I will explain that part also. Why cos theta is there? Why sin theta is not there? I will explain that also. So please hold on. So magnitude of A, magnitude of B into cos theta. So magnitude of A means what? Scalar A. Magnitude of B means what? Scalar B into cos theta. Acha, cos theta gives us a number. Cos 0 degree 1, cos 90 degree 0, cos 30 degree 3 by 2. This gives a number. These all give you a number. Adjacent? No, it's not adjacent. There is a proper reason behind it. I will tell you. So look at the quantity here. Look at the quantity here. This all term, they are basically scalars. Everything on the right hand side is scalar. So that is why it is called scalar product. So that is why dot product is called scalar product. Dot product is called scalar product. Okay, this is the reason why dot product is called scalar product. Hold on, please learn patiently. Have some No. Please have patience. I will explain. See, Likhit, I will explain why cos is coming. Immediately you are asking why. Please listen. Everything will be explained. Yeah. So now, A dot B, A vector dot B vector is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B into cos theta. Magnitude of A is a scalar. Magnitude of B is also scalar. Cos theta is a number. So everything is a scalar on the right hand side. So that is dot product is called scalar product. यहाँ तक clarity आ गई. There are some fixed mathematical rules that we can apply for dot product. Next, we will learn about those rules. ठीक है ना? Fixed set of rules. See, mathematics is a very disciplined subject. You cannot do anything here. You have to go as per the direction given there. What is that? चलो देखते. First one, A vector dot B vector can be written as B vector dot A vector. I can change the position. I can change the position of A vector and B vector. I cannot do it here, everything. A vector dot B vector is equal to B vector dot A vector, where I can write only in dot product. We will see in case of cross product, we can't write this. This is not allowed in cross product, but allowed in dot product. What is this called? This particular property is called commutative property. Start noting down. All my dear friends, start noting down. एक बार practice हो जाएगा. So this property is called commutative property. This is called commutative property. Start noting down. हो गया? Right? Next. Let us say there are three vectors, A vector, B vector and C vector. We can write, ध्यान से देखना सब लोग, please pay attention. A vector dot B vector dot C vector is equal to, I can write A vector dot B vector dot C vector. Please note down. BA cos theta, we learned that magnetic line of vector quantity. कहाँ जा रहे हो भाई तुम? Please learn from here. There is no need to impress me. I am already impressed. Those are all very primary things. If you think that you are saying very high-fi things, These are very easy things. Hold on, learn properly. Yeah. So this is called associative property. Yeah, someone said correctly. This property is called associative property. This is called associative property. Okay. Number 3. Number 3. Let us come to number 3. Number 3 is A vector dot B vector plus C vector. A vector dot B vector plus C vector is equal to A vector dot B vector plus A vector dot C vector. This is called distributive property. This property is called distributive property. So 3 things it is following. Yeah, very good. Right, Vaishnavi? So 3 properties it is following. I'm sorry. 3 properties it is following. One is commutative property. Next is associative property, and the third one is called distributive property. Correct? Fine. Clear, everyone? Right? Okay. Yeah. Right. चलो. Very good. Very good. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Right. देखो. Please pay attention. We are taking A vector is equal to AX I cap plus AY j cap plus AZ k cap. B vector is equal to BX I cap BX I cap plus BY j cap plus BZ k cap. Everyone, please pay attention here. What was the formula, रे बाबा? A vector dot B vector is equal to AB cos theta. This was the formula, right? If you take 2 unit vectors, if I take 2 similar unit vectors, like I am writing A cap dot A cap. So A cap and A cap are parallel. They are parallel. They are in the same direction. What is the angle between them? 0 degree. So can't I write this is equal to modulus of A cap into modulus of A cap into cos of 0 degree. This is 1, 1, 1. So A cap dot A cap is equal to how much? 1. So dot product between 2 similar unit vector is always equal to 1. So dot product between 2 same unit vector is equal to 1. Dot product between 2 same unit vector is equal to 1. If I do I cap dot I cap, or I do j cap dot j cap, or I do k cap dot k cap, all these are equal to 1. All these are equal to 1. I dot I, j dot j, k dot k, everything is equal to 1. All these are equal to 1. Correct? Fine? Yeah. Then sir, you tell me, sir, if this is equal to 1, that's perfectly fine. I don't have any issue with that. Sir, what will happen? What will happen if I do I cap dot j cap then? If I do I cap dot j cap, what will happen? I cap dot j cap, what will happen? Let us take magnitude of I cap, magnitude of j cap, cos I and j angle is how much? 90 degree ka tha. The angle between I and j, I is along x axis, j is along y axis, x axis, y axis, angle is equal to 90 degree. Perfect answer, 0. Yes. So this is equal to how much? 0. So j dot k 0, k dot I 0. So that means we are writing dot product between 2 mutually perpendicular vectors. 2 mutually perpendicular vectors is equal to 0. Dot product between 2 mutually perpendicular vectors is equal to 0. Simple thing. Okay. So far so good. Please respond everyone. Yeah. Magnitude of A cap is 1, Pranav. Magnitude of A cap. Unit vector magnitude is 1 only. Last to last lecture, magnitude of unit vector is 1. Don't forget that. Previous lesson you should not forget. Magnitude of unit vector is 1. Okay, right. Now let us come to here. So what we are trying to calculate? We are trying to calculate here A vector dot B vector. Whenever we are trying to get A vector dot B vector, there, which combination you have to take? You are supposed to always take I with I, J with J, and K with K. Why? Because all other combinations will give you 0 result. So I will take this combination. I'll take this combination, and this combination. I will use I with I, J with J, and K with K. Why? Because I dot J will be 0, so there is no benefit in multiplying that. J with K will be 0, I with K will be 0, J with K will be 0, so there is no benefit in taking that. So now how much is coming? Please respond how much it is coming. It will come as AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. Right? How much it is coming? AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. Please confirm everyone. Quick response from everyone. All of you. Jaldi. Hurry up. Quick response. Yeah? Right. Correct. So now that was equal to what? Magnitude of A, magnitude of B into cos theta. How much is magnitude of A? Magnitude of A is equal to under root of AX square plus AY square plus AZ square into under root of BX square plus BY square plus BZ square into cos of theta. So how much cos theta is coming? Cos theta is equal to AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ divided by under root of AX square AY square AZ square into BX square plus BY square plus BZ square. This huge looking formula, which is not difficult, actually application is very easy, helps us. This is used for what? This is used to find angle between A vector and B vector. This is used to find the angle between A vector and B vector. Yes, I will say. Don't worry. Yeah. Please say here. So I am doing dot product of A vector dot B vector. While I am doing the dot product of A vector and B vector, what I am saying that we have to only concentrate I with I, J with J, and K with K, because all other combinations will give you 0 result. I with I will give you 1, J with J will give you 1, K with K will give you 1. So when you are multiplying I dot I1, AX BX, J with J1, AY BY, K with K1, AZ BZ. Now A dot B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B into cos theta. How much is magnitude of A? Under root of AX square plus AY square plus AZ square. How much is magnitude of B? Under root of BX square plus BY square plus BZ square into cos theta. So this is the left hand side, this is the right hand side. From both I can calculate the value of cos theta. And this equation is helpful for why? Because if two vectors are provided, this equation will help me to calculate the angle between the two vectors. Fair enough? We will work out 2-3 examples, you will get perfect clarity. क्या ये सबका हो गया है? प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड. इज इट डन? शैल वी मूव अहेड नाउ? चले, जा सकते हैं आगे, है ना? गुड गुड गुड, ठीक है, चलिए. ओके ओके, चलो चलो, सीख जाएंगे, डोंट वरी, एवरीथिंग यू विल लर्न. पक्का सीखेंगे, कोई इशू नहीं है. चलिए देखिए, देखिए तो ए वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू, प्लीज नोट डाउन एवरीवन, आई कैप प्लस जे कैप प्लस के कैप. बी वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू आई कैप प्लस 2j कैप माइनस k cap. Please note down. What we are asking here? We are asking calculate angle between a vector and b vector. Note down. Calculate angle between a vector and b vector. Calculate angle between a vector and b vector. Okay, देखिए, चलिए, how to do, see here, very simple, very simple. So cos theta is equal to what we have written, ax bx plus ay by plus az bz by magnitude of a vector into magnitude of b vector. That's what we have written. This is the formula. Okay, we can do directly also, no problem. You see, I with I, so ax bx is coming 1, j with j, so this is coming plus 2, k with k, this is coming as minus 1 by under root of, this means 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. Magnitude of b vector means 1 square plus 2 square plus minus 1 square. So this plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. How much you are getting here? 2 divided by under root of 3 into, this is 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So what is the answer coming? 2 by under root of 18. 2 by under root of 18. So that is equal to, if you want to further split this, we can write 2 into 3 root 2. So cos theta is equal to, cos theta is equal to 2 by 3 root 2. So theta is equal to, how do we write? Cos inverse of 2 by 3 root 2. This is how we calculate the angle between the two vectors. Yeah? Yes? Correct? ठीक है? Don't worry, plenty of examples we will take. So many examples we will take and you will be perfect clarity. कोई issue नहीं है. और एक example, चलो next example लिखो. Note down. लिखिए, सब लोग लिखिए. I cap plus 2j cap, b vector is equal to minus 3i cap plus 2j cap. Come on, do it. Do it. Very simple. Please do. Please do. Yeah. Correct. Anyone with the answer? Anyone with the answer? चलिए, a vector dot b vector, how much it is coming? जल्दी बोलिए. I with I minus 3, j with j plus 4, that is equal to 1, right? So now 1 is equal to magnitude of a, magnitude of b into cos theta. How much is magnitude of a? Under root of 1 plus 2 square into under root of minus 3 whole square plus 2 square. So this is coming under root of 5 into, this is 9 plus 4, that is 13. into cos theta. So how much is that? Under root of 65 into cos theta. So cos theta is coming 1 by under root of 65. How many got it correctly? Cos theta is equal to 1 by under root of 65. How many of you got it correctly? Yes, very good. Very good. Very good. Yes, 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 yes. Absolutely. Very good. So theta will be equal to cos inverse of 1 by under root of 65. Very good. So nice of you. Right. Okay. Yeah. Right. चलो वन मोर एग्जाम्पल, एक और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं, ठीक है ना, बार बार करते हैं. लेट अस ट्राई. आ जाएगा पक्का, सबका सही है. डोंट वरी, एवरीवन विल गेट द करेक्ट आंसर. प्लीज नेक्स्ट वन, प्लीज डू. लेट अस से सी वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू आई कैप माइनस जे कैप, डी वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू आई कैप प्लस जे कैप. Let's see who can come with the perfect answer. Very easy one, tricky one, easiest one. Angle. My demand is find angle between C vector and D vector. Angle between C vector and D vector. Please be careful. Please be careful. 90 degree, yes, correct, very good. 90 degree is the answer. Correct, very good, right. How? Sir, C vector dot D vector is equal to I with I, it is coming 1, J with J, it is coming -1, 0. I already told you, if two vector dot product is equal to 0, then C vector is perpendicular to D vector. So angle between them will be 90 degree. We have already explained here. देखो, it's clearly written here. Dot product between two mutually perpendicular vector is equal to 0. Right? So how much dot product came here? 0. So what is the angle between the vector? 90 degree. Chalo, quickly raise your hand. How many got dot product is equal to 0? How many of you got dot product is equal to 0? Yeah? Very good. So nice. See, so many members. Correct. That means you got the idea, right? But do remember this thing. Dot product 0 means angle will be equal to 90 degree. हाँ, बिल्कुल. बहुत क्वेश्चन करेंगे. Don't worry. We will solve plenty of questions. Yes. चलिए नेक्स्ट वन लिखो. ए वेक्टर, राइट. लेट अस वर्क आउट. सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस वी विल डू, डोंट वरी. लिखो ए वेक्टर इज इक्वल टू 1 by 2 I cap plus 2 J cap. B vector is equal to minus 2 I cap plus 1 by 2 J cap. Calculate theta between A vector and B vector. Come on, fast. Yeah, now people got the idea. Yes, so proud of you. Very good. Now you got the idea. That's it. That's perfect. Yes, absolutely. Correct. So A vector dot B vector, I with I, it will be minus 2 into 1 by 2. J with J, it will be plus 2 into 1 by 2. 2 cancel, minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. Whenever A dot B is 0, theta is equal to how much? 90 degree. Correct now? Done? Yes. See, very good YouTube people. So nice of you. Great. Very good. तो सीख गए हम लोग. आइडिया क्लियर? फाइनली आइडिया क्लियर? राइट? Okay. So here we are seeing what? If A dot B is equal to 0, then A is perpendicular to B. So the angle between the vector is coming to be how much? It is coming to be 90 degree. Clear है? ओके ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखिए. Now I am saying, now I am twisting the idea a little bit. Same concept, but from a different angle. What is that given? It is given that C vector is equal to, please note everyone, small a I cap plus 2j cap. D vector is equal to 2I cap minus 3j cap. Please note down the two vectors quickly. जल्दी कीजिए. C vector is equal to a I cap plus 2j cap and D vector is equal to 2I cap minus 3j cap. Correct? Yeah. So question given, if C vector is perpendicular to D vector, then find the value. Then find the value of A. Please do it quickly. Correct? Everyone answering? Yeah. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes. 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 Absolutely. So nice of you. Very good. Now you got it. So here, what is the idea? Since C vector is perpendicular to D vector, so C vector dot D vector must be equal to 0. C vector dot D vector must be equal to 0. Correct? So here I with I is giving how much? 2A. J with J giving how much? Minus 6. So 2A minus 6 is equal to how much? 0. So that means A will be equal to how much? 6 divided by 2. That is equal to 3. This is the correct answer. How many of you got plus 3 as the answer? Raise your hand quickly. I could see plenty of in YouTube also. YouTube also. So many members got plus 3 as the answer. Very good. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. So nice. So nice. Correct? अभी क्लियर है आइडिया? पक्का? आइडिया क्लियर ना? कोई डाउट नहीं है अभी? फाइन एवरीवन? करेक्ट? ठीक है, ठीक, ठीक, राइट, ओके, चलिए, चलिए, नेक्स्ट. शैल वी वर्क आउट वन मोर क्वेश्चन? एक और क्वेश्चन करें? शैल वी डू वन मोर? एक और क्वेश्चन करें? वन मोर? करते हैं? चलो करते हैं. फाइन, डन. लिखो. A vector is equal to I cap minus J cap plus K cap. B vector is equal to, please write I cap minus J cap plus K cap, and B vector is equal to 2I cap plus 2I cap plus, let us say 2J cap. 2I cap plus 2J cap. ठीक है ना? Calculate the angle between A vector and B vector. Easiest one. Easiest one. Easiest one. So I am writing two questions side by side. This one and another one. Another one is A vector is equal to I cap minus J cap plus K cap, and B vector is equal to 2I cap plus J cap. Calculate theta between A vector and B vector. चलिए, come on. Both the questions. Very good. Yes, you are responding brilliantly. So nice of you. Fantastic people you are. Correct. Very good. Very good. So this first one, this is pretty easy. The moment I do A vector dot B vector is equal to I with I becomes 2, J with J becomes minus 2, it becomes 0. So khatam. A is perpendicular to B vector. So theta is equal to 90 डिग्री। हो गया क्लैरिटी? थीटा इज इक्वल टू 90 degree. Fine, well done. Next one is what? Next one, A vector dot B vector is equal to how much it is coming? I dot I means 2. Here J dot J, that is coming -1, that is equal to 1. Now how to get the angle? 1 is equal to magnitude of A vector, magnitude of B vector into cos theta. How much is magnitude of A vector? Directly I am writing 1 plus 1 plus 1, root 3. How much is magnitude of B vector? 2 square, 4 plus 1, that means root 5. Cos theta, how much it is coming? Root 15 into cos theta. So cos theta coming how much? 1 by root 15. So theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 by root 15. Please check your answer, everyone. Please check your answer. Please check your answer. Right? Correct? Yeah? Okay. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Previous one is 90 degree. That is a correct answer you got, Shalini. That is a perfect answer you got. Right? Yes, 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 yes. Second one, these are not tough. These are actually calculative. We have to just get the basic calculation right. Correct? Chalo, one last, एक और last question करते, then I will go to the next topic. One last question let us do. चलिए sir, let us do. Last question. C vector is equal to, please try, I cap plus j cap minus k cap. D vector is equal to I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Calculate theta between C vector and D vector. This is the easiest one. Chalo, do it. I want answers from everyone. Chalo, please do. Please do. Try everyone. Karo, calculate karo. 90? No, I don't think that 90 will come. Please pay attention. I don't think 90 will come. Yeah. थोड़ा ध्यान से करो. Please pay a little bit more attention. Yeah, 180 degree? नहीं, पता नहीं. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah. चलो, let us solve. First, C vector dot D vector is equal to how much it is coming? I with I, that is 1. J with J, how much is? -1. K with K, that is also -1. So how much it is coming? -1. Correct. Next step you go na. Why are you deciding from this step? Next step is what? Magnitude of C vector, magnitude of D vector into cos theta is equal to -1. So how much is magnitude of C vector? √3. How much is magnitude of D vector? √3. Cos theta is equal to what? -1. So cos theta is equal to what? -1/3. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is theta is equal to cos inverse of -1/3. How many of you got this answer correctly? Raise your hand, please. Yes, here I can see. Very good. Very good. Here people got the correct answer. Very good. But no, that please be careful. This is a wrong perception. It is not like that. It is not like that. We can't write it like this. You got it correctly, but the correct method of writing like this: cos inverse within bracket -1/3. Otherwise, you got it correctly. है ना? Perfect है? Right? Yes. Right. Okay. Fine? Yes. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. One more. Okay, Mallikarjun Swami. One more. चलिए one more. करते हैं one more. लिखो. A vector is equal to, कर लेते हैं, 2i cap plus j cap minus k cap. B vector is equal to I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Calculate theta between A vector and B vector. Please do. Easiest one. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Correct. Absolutely correct. Right. Yes, yes, yes. That's correct. Perfect now. Absolutely perfect. Yes. Right. Very good. 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. So many good answers are coming. Very good. So nice of you. Correct. So, A vector dot B vector. I with I, that is 2. J with J, minus 1. K with K, minus 1. 2 minus 2 becomes 0. So, theta is equal to 90 degree. Right. Yes. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Correct. 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 Okay. Yes. Correct. देखो, finally, let us move on. Enough. We have done so many examples. इतने सारे examples हो गए. I mean, how many more examples you are supposed to do? बहुत सारे examples हो गए यार. This is a easier one. Dot product is easier one. Cross product is little bit difficult in terms of direction and all that, but dot is very easy. Just practice you need. Enough. चलो, next देखो. So next what we are doing, these are two vectors that I am taking. This is A vector and this is B vector. Correct? A vector and B vector, and the angle between them is theta. We are saying the angle between them is theta. Right? Okay. That's what I am explaining now, Nitra. You will understand now. Now you will understand. That's what I am exactly explaining now. So dot product is actually taking projection of one vector along another vector. So what I am taking, dot product, it basically means taking projection of a vector along another vector. So dot product का actual meaning क्या है? It is taking projection of one vector along another vector. It is basically projection of one vector along another vector. A vector है. How much of this A is lying along B? How much of this A is lying along B? So for that, what I will do, I will take the perpendicular here. This is 90 degree. So how much of A is lying along B? This much of A is lying along B. This much. This much of A is lying along B. How much of A is that? This is, we know, that is simply A cos theta. Then what is the projection you write? You write A cos theta into B. So that becomes AB cos theta. I hope it is clear now. Now you got the clarity how the cos is coming. Everyone, how the cos is coming? It is clear now. It is basically due to the projection of one vector along another vector. It is due to the projection of one vector along another vector. It is basically due to the projection of one vector along another vector. Let me give you an example. एक और example लेते हैं. ध्यान से सोचो. Suppose I am taking A vector as AX I cap plus AY j cap. Let me draw the diagram also so that you get perfect clarity here. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and here I am taking one vector as A vector. ये हमारी vector आ गई. This is A vector. This is angle theta. ध्यान से देखना, all of you, please pay attention. This is very, very important, right? I want to get projection of A vector along x-axis. What I want to get? Projection of A vector along x-axis. What we want to get? Projection of A vector along x-axis. So what we write? We write A vector dot I cap. Why? Because along x-axis unit vector is I cap only. So we write a vector dot I cap. A vector dot I cap means ax I cap plus ay j cap dot I cap. How much you are getting there? Ax I cap dot I cap plus ay j cap dot I cap. J cap dot I cap becomes 0. How much we get? Ax I cap dot I cap. I cap dot I cap means 1. So what we are getting? Ax. What is Ax? This is Ax. How much is Ax actually? A cos theta. We got A cos theta. That's how we are getting cos theta. भाई हो गया ना? इतना तो कोई बुक में नहीं रहता है. There is no book which will get you to this particular level. Clear है यहाँ तक? Please respond everyone. Please. Please quick response. ठीक है? आ गया समझ में? फील आ गई? करेक्ट? या? फाइन. करेक्ट है? दिस इज वी हैव डन. उल्टा ले लो. यू डू. यस. यू टेक projection of a vector along y axis. Projection of a vector along y axis. You will see a very interesting thing. So a vector dot j cap. I am writing directly. How much you will get? Ay only na? How much you will get? Ay only. Correct? So ay is equal to what? Ay is equal to a sin theta. Hold on, please have patience. Full concentration here. Full concentration towards me. A sin theta. Sir, you said cos will come. Sir, you said cos will come. You said cos will come. और यहाँ पे तो sin आ गया sir. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Here theta is the angle with the x axis. But if I take an angle beta with the y axis, इसका आंसर क्या आएगा मैडम? ये आएगा a cos beta only. समझ रहे हो? यस. करेक्ट. आया क्लैरिटी? फाइन. कैन आई मूव ahead? I am saying, Asaswini, कि if you take the angle theta with the x-axis, then along y component is coming a sin theta. But if you take an angle with the y-axis, which is to be beta, then the answer will be a cos beta only. And according to trigonometry, I can keep on going. I can keep on discussing like this. You see, theta plus beta is equal to 90 degree. Beta is equal to 90 degree minus theta. So, sin theta is equal to sin of 90 degree minus beta is equal to cos beta. Trigonometry class, basic mathematics. कुछ भी कर सकते हैं यार. If you know mathematics, you can do wonders. कुछ भी कर सकते हो आप. Anything you can do. Right? ठीक है? With one last question, I will end the class today. खाली एक क्वेश्चन करेंगे और खत्म करेंगे. ठीक है? लिखिए. What is the question? A vector is equal to, please note down, A vector is equal to 2i cap plus j cap. B vector is equal to I cap plus j cap. Question is calculate projection of A vector along B vector. This is an exam related question. बहुत important question है. Keeps on coming in NEET and JEE main like exam. बहुत important question है. A vector is equal to 2i cap plus j cap. B vector is equal to I cap plus j cap. We have to find out projection of A vector along B vector. Projection of A vector along B vector. All my dear friends, first write the formula. What is the formula? लिखो. Projection of A vector along B vector is equal to A vector dot B cap. Formula लिखिए. A vector dot B cap. A vector dot B cap. A vector dot B cap. So that is what? A vector dot B vector by magnitude of B vector. Please write down the formula. Please write down the formula. Very easy question. We will solve in less than 1 minute only. कुछ time नहीं लगेगा. So now let us write directly. First find B cap. पहले B cap निकाल दो. How much is B cap? B cap is I cap plus J cap by magnitude of I cap plus J cap. How much will that come? I cap plus J cap by root 2. B cap is I cap plus J cap by root 2. So here now put it. A vector is equal to 2I cap plus J cap dot I cap plus J cap by root 2. I with I 1, so that is 2. J with J, that is 1 divided by root 2. So your answer is 3 by root 2. Don't worry, we have done just one question today on this concept. Tomorrow's class, I will again start off with one more example from here and then we'll go on. Yeah? Fine? ठीक है? Okay? Please revise all I am saying. कि whenever we are going to come to the campus either after 7 days or 10 days, preparation करके आओ. Revise all these things. You are getting the lecture note. Please practice at home. Do remember one thing, be it any class, be it any lecture, 1 hour of lecture contemplated with 2 hours of practice, then the learning will be completed. You are watching the lecture on the virtual domain, on the internet domain, correct? But learning will not be virtual. If question is given, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि you are taking the screenshot of the solution from the mobile and pasting on the neat answer copy. ये तो नहीं हो सकता. तो यहाँ से आना है answer. Answer has to come from here. So process is very strenuous. You have to practice. Once you practice, you will get through it. ठीक है? Right? Yes. चलिए, QR code is here. And specifically today's class, practice much because previous classes, they are all basic foundation classes. Today's class, whatever we have done, these are exam related things, so practice much. Okay? Huge level practice होना चाहिए. हाँ जी, this is your QR code. Opening day, again I am saying, please, I am just a teacher. I just concentrate on my teaching. So between you and me, me and my subject, these 3 things are important. Regarding all these things, these will be taken care by the management. We have very efficient, very cordial management. The chairman and himself, the directors, sponsor and all, they are very careful. They will communicate to you. You will get proper information. Don't worry about that. Everything will be communicated. I know you are agitated and anxious enough to come to the campus at the earliest. आ जाओ, फिर हम देखते हैं. Okay? Chalo, bye everyone. See you tomorrow in the next class. Please practice. Bye.